everyone, and welcome to Heidi's Home. Today I am in the kitchen getting ready for a Christmas party that I am going to have at my home on Monday evening. And I am finally getting to those peanut butter balls and dipping those in chocolate this morning and getting that all complete. Now you are going to see here in a moment that I need to melt some more chocolate. And I thought I would tell you that I am melting my chocolate in the microwave, but to make it go a lot further and to make my chocolate shiny, I add a little bit of shortening and I melt that along with the chocolate. And you will notice that when you are dipping your items in the chocolate, it goes on a lot prettier and shinier and a lot cleaner looking. And I don't even remember who shared this tip with me, but I've been doing it for years and it's really helped me out. Now I am finishing up my chocolate covered Oreos and I'm putting all of my peanut butter balls in an airtight container and placing them back into the refrigerator. There are my Oreos. I made some white chocolate Oreos as well. And now I'm making some homemade pepperoni rolls. I put a picture of these homemade pepperoni rolls online and everybody was pretty excited about seeing how I make these. Now, I will tell you, I use the frozen bread dough, that's the dinner rolls. I thaw them out, and then I roll them out, as you can see there, and I put 5 pieces of pepperoni, and I pinch all of it together, and I try to make them all the same long shape. And then I allow them to raise again. And then once they raise again, then I bake them in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. And then I butter the tops of them and they are delicious. Here they are all finished. And I made some party meatballs, and you all have seen me make meatballs millions of times. And then I have one last thing to do before headed to bed, and that is making peanut butter fudge. And I have a recipe video on my channel for this. It is delicious. And it all came out good. I hope you enjoyed.